Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing my cash envelope stuffing part 2 for September. If you haven't watched part 1, I will leave it linked up there in the cards, as well as the budgeting playlist down in the description box below. I will give you a quick overview of my cash stuffing. So 1, I live at home with my parents. 2, I'm trying to save for a house. 3, I have a car. It is fully paid off, but I still need to pay car insurance. And I think that's it. I get paid bi-weekly, so I do these 2 times a month, and if there is an extra paycheck, I obviously try and film that as well. Please excuse my voice. I am a little bit sick. My daughter is now in school, so whatever she brings home, I get. So anyways, as you can see from the money, I am Canadian. And these are my envelopes right here. I have my monthlies and my sinking funds. I do make these myself, and I do have a video on how to make them at home. Very, very cheap and easy. I also have new ones that I'll be using very, very soon, which I'm super excited about. So basically, we're going to go through my monthlies first. These are things that need to be paid ASAP. And then these are my sinking funds, which are things that I'm saving up for or things that I'm not touching in the month of September. So without further ado, let's get started. I got my little Dory mug here, keeping me nice and warm and toasty with some tea in it because I do not feel the greatest. But anyways, so I'm going to start off with my first envelope, which is rent, and rent gets $250. Again, this is bi-weekly, so this is the second payment, which will be for October. And here is my first payment. Everything all together. And what I'll quickly do is just write here on the back the date, amount, and total, and then once I pay rent, it'll get crossed off. So rent is done. Next up will be my phone bill, and phone bill gets $50 every paycheck. So again, this is part 2 of my phone bill. So again, I'll just write everything on the back there. And phone bill is done. Next up is my gas envelope, and again, this gets paid twice a month, and I think I do have a 20. Yeah, I do have a 20 still in here, but I'm actually probably going to use this today. So every paycheck gets $40 for my gas. Sorry if you can hear that noise out in the back. We're getting a bunch of stuff redone on our street from Belle, so it's a little annoying. So I'm just going to put that in there. Again, gas does not have a tracker on the back because that is strictly for gas. And money's constantly coming in and out of there, so I don't really need to keep track of it. I know exactly where it's going. Next up is spending, and obviously spending is empty. It's always empty. And this paycheck, I will be getting $40. Again, to let you guys know, spending for me is my guilt-free money. I can spend it on whatever I would like, whether it be treats, clothing, candles, Hot Topic, whatever I want to spend it on. That's where it'll go to, and it's kind of like guilt-free. And then last but not least is my food as well. It does not have a tracker on the back because this is strictly for food. And there should be $20 left, which I will be grabbing something today for my groceries. So it gets $40. And food is done. That was everything for my monthlies. Now we will get into my sinking funds. These are my sinking funds right here. I do have a lot of them. We're not filling, actually, I think we're filling all of them today. Wow, that is a difference. Normally I just pull out whatever ones we're gonna film, but I don't know if you can see here on my list, all of these are getting filled today. So never mind that. So first up, we're gonna start off with maintenance, and maintenance is getting $100. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do 250s. Yeah. I'm gonna do 250s. Excuse my daughter's writing here. I did have money in here, but that actually was paid. So this 100 will be new. And again, I'll just make a date, amount, and total. I love how my daughter was signing on here. And now maintenance is done. Again, sorry if you now hear a hairdryer because my mother is drying her hair. Next up is toiletries, and toiletries, this paycheck will be getting $20. There is 20 in here, but I do need to grab some shavers. I need to grab some toilet paper, body wash, stuff like that. So that will be going in here. And I will just write on the back again, date, amount, and total. Like, look, I haven't filled in since June. That's crazy. So toiletries is done. Next up is travel, and guys, look, it is empty. Boop, boop. We have booked our trip. Super excited. So now I'm actually planning for the next one. So I'm going to start going because I don't have as long to save up for this trip. We're trying to go away in February. I'm going to start putting in a bit of money. So this time I am putting in $50. The envelope's nice and small again. And then same thing. On the back, I will write the date, amount, and total. And travel is done. Super excited to go away with my girlfriends. I think that'll be so much fun. Next up is my Christmas envelope, and this will be getting $40. We do have some cash in here. So I'm just gonna quickly add this up, make sure it equals the amount on here plus the 40 I just put in. Perfect. That makes me super excited that I got some money in here for Christmas so I can start shopping. I'm one of those people, I pick up gifts throughout the whole year and I save them somewhere in my house. And then that way when Christmas rolls around, I do already have a little bit of gifts. I'm not going crazy buying 700 gifts in a day. So it's something that really works for me, especially having a kid. Buy when it's on sale or buy throughout the year if they ask for something. So highly recommend that. Next up is date night, and date night will be getting $20. I think we do have 40 in here, which is great. So 60 is a good thing I like to have. You can go for dinner, the movies, or whatnot. So that's good. Again, I'll write the total on the back. And date night is done. I'm probably going to keep this envelope because I love the gold foiling. Looks amazing. Next up is birthdays, and birthdays will be getting $30. My daughter's birthday is coming up very, very soon. Super excited. So, just want to save up some things there for her cake and whatnot. So, $70. Good. And again, all the information on the back. Gifts is done. Next up is pampering, and pampering is getting $20. Your girl here has still not gotten her nails done. I should be getting them done this week. I'm literally so busy with work right now, so I haven't had the time. And my ones that I have that like I could dip my fingers in and soak them off, they're not coming off, so I'm just dealing with it. I'm cutting them as they grow. So $60 is more than enough for me to get my nails. I can also get my eyebrows done or whatnot. So that's great. Pampering is done. Next up is my daughter, and my daughter is getting $20. She does have a 20 in here, so I'll just add that in there. And then again, write the amount in total on the back. Next up is medical. Medical, I'm not putting in anything. I still have some cash in here, so this is still good to go. And then last but not least is my emergency fund. And it is getting $110. And you may be wondering why there is an extra 20 here. This is actually for my mother. I owe her 20 bucks. So that's what that's going to be for. But I am putting in $110. This envelope is so freaking huge. I also need to change these for some like 20s and 100s and stuff because that is ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to quickly add this up. Make sure it equals the back plus the amount that I just put in. Perfect. I definitely need to put a new tracker on here, so I'm just going to write it on the bottom what the total is. And I need to find that sheet again that I was writing everything on, because I can't find it. So that is my sinkings envelope. Again, this is just sinking strictly for the year. I'm trying to see how much I can save up and still being able to live my life and do whatever is needed and have a happy and healthy life. So this is what I've been saving. I'm very, very thankful and very, very happy that I'm able to save this money. I know I've gotten a lot of my friends on this cash envelope stuffing because of the amount that I've been saving and how good it's been working out for me. So truly, truly thankful. So savings is done. So that was everything for my cash stuffing September part 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!